Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to travel to Oslo again. It was not long ago since I last traveled to Oslo, but this time I'm traveling only to see the opening of Dior in Norway. And I'm so excited to take you with me and show you the opening. We are not going to fly this time, which I really hate because I get really car sick. And the reason why we are traveling by a car is because we are bringing a dog with us. We have been taking care of my in-laws dog for a week now because they were traveling. So we are going to bring her with us. So here is the dog we are currently taking care of, and we are going to bring her back to her owners, my in-laws. But first, before we are going to Oslo, I'm going to walk her and finish packing. So I will see you guys in Oslo. Yesterday we basically arrived Oslo at midnight and we were so tired, so we went right in bed. But today we are going to shop a little bit. I'm planning to go to Dior Beauty and also some fragrance stores. But I don't think I'm going to go to that many luxury stores today. Maybe a few. But tomorrow is the Dior opening, hopefully. They are not sure yet about the opening date. They don't know if it's going to open on Friday, Saturday or Monday. But hopefully tomorrow, which is Friday. And I'm going to bring you guys with me today to shop. And hopefully I will find something. I'm planning to buy a little bit beauty because always when I'm coming to Oslo, I save up my purchases from Dior Beauty so I can buy it directly from the store because I really love my sales associate there. She is very nice and she always does the little extra for me, so I think it is worth waiting for buying Dior because I can buy Dior in every beauty store where I live. So yeah, let's come with me to shopping. Here are the outfits for the day. I'm wearing my Cypress sandals, my Jerv Avenue set. And I also have my picotin with me. So yeah, let's go shopping.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time you thought that we did alright. But I thought it through, and I'm missing you. And I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love old but kinda new.